Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing a paper palm kind of arrangement with a bit of florals. I just wanted to show you guys another way you could use the paper palm that would, make your life really easy. In this one I made, the really big paper palms, and I used it to make this floral arrangement. I am sure it would even look better when I attach it to a design or something. So all you need is your roses, your whatever flowers you're going to use. I'm using mainly pink flowers, and then you need your floral cage. That's my floral cage there. Guys, before we get into the video proper, remember to subscribe if you haven't. Just click that button and carry on with the video. So you push in your paper palms to, you can see I'm putting it at like adjacent of the floral cage. And the great thing about this is I'm using a really big kind of paper palm, and the floral cage is the largest size. So the floral cages, they come in different sizes, and it has the floral foam inside. I am using the really large one. There's a large one, there's a medium one, and there's a small one. The large ones are great. And another thing is, you do not have to use the cage. You could actually use just the paper, the floral foam on its own, and you're good to go. So what I did was I used the paper palms to like fill out the edges of the floral cage. Then I started adding in my roses to fill it out and to bulk it out. And then after adding the roses, you add whatever kind of other flowers you have. Maybe you have the what's it called, the grass, the name has gone off my head now. Yeah, the pampas grass. Yes, you use it in it. Who would have thought this was made out of paper? So there's so many things you can use to for your paper palms. I'm also going to share another design next week, guys, using a paper palm in a bubble balloon. So stay tuned for that. Guys, if you've not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, share this video, comments below, drop a comment. Your comments, your likes are so important for my channel. Please remember to like, to drop a comment. And for those of you that always like and drop a comment, thank you so much. I really appreciate. I hope you enjoyed this very short video, and I'll see you same time next week. All right, guys, bye. Remember to drop a comment.